Hello guys, so welcome back once more again to MikeMoney FX trading platform, also known as Expert Forex. So on this video I'll be showing you how to set up and install the free 1-year VPS, and also how to just install your software, the trading software, the auto trading software directly on it. So basically pay attention to every detail of this video. So after this video, you have to get the cheapest virtual private server and you get your softwares running. So I'm doing this specifically because most persons have complained they cannot afford the VPS, and most persons are complaining they are not maximizing the opportunities available on our platform. So for such reason, I have made a research to ensure I get you a very cheap VPS, almost free, if not free, and at least for a year, so you can actually maximize the benefits of Expert Forex softwares. Alright, so basically follow every detail of this video. So first of all, we'll go to aws.amazon.com. So we'll go to aws.amazon.com. Okay, so please, after this video I might stop installing softwares for most persons beginning from next week. So anybody that wants to install will have to come and watch this video and get themselves registered and installed without my help, except those who don't have a PC or don't have an access to a PC, and people I might consider helping them install our auto trading software. Alright, next, so the first thing we have to do is to create a WS account. So you click create an AWS account. So once you're in, you insert your email, your password, and you choose a name for your account, and you go to step 2. So there are actually 5 steps. You can see that 5 steps. So let's get step 1 done. So when I fill this, I'll be right back. So now I'm filling the information. I go to step 2, continue, save. So you click personal. Now you have to fill in this information for step 2. So when I fill it, I'll be back. So once you're done filling all the details, you scroll down, click I have read and agree to the terms, then you continue, click continue. So if you take us to step 3. So on step 3, you'll be logging in your card details, because they might charge you just $1. You can see we will not charge you for usage below AWS free tier limits. You temporarily hold $1 or €1 as a pending transaction for 3 to 5 days to verify your identity, and that is all. So it is free. So I'll log in my card details, then I click verify and continue to go to step 4. Alright, so when I fill in, I'll be back. So I've used my MasterCard now, then give it a try again. Okay, confirm your identity now. I'll put in my phone number because it will send me a code. So let me try entering the digits. BHY, sorry. Z8BHY. Okay, so they'll send the code now to that number. Okay, that's 4417. So we're done with step 4. Okay, so we're choosing the basic 24/7 service access to AWS resources. You can see that completely free. So this is what we're using basically. So it's already highlighted. As you can see, it's already highlighted. Now we'll sign in. Sign up for that particular package. Okay, so you can see here they say congratulations. Thank you for signing up with AWS. We are activating your account, which should take a few minutes. You will receive an email when this is complete. So once this is complete, I'll get an email. So I'll need to go look out for my mailbox right away. So I'll go to my mailbox now. So I'll go to my mail. I have a confirmation sign up and I have get ready. You can see it, account is ready. It came instantly. So you see it's ready. For the next 12 months, you have free access to the core AWS compute, storage, database, and application services within the limits for the free tier. So that makes a lot of sense. So now you click on sign in. Okay, so sign in as a root user. A security check again. Password. And so now we are signed in. So the next thing we need to do now is to come here, change it to Asia Pacific Mumbai. See that? So once that's reloaded and changed to Mumbai, you click on service. Then you click on EC2. Okay, it's loading. So once it loads like this, you just scroll down and click on launch instance. Launch instance. So scroll down. You look for the Microsoft Windows Server 2019 base with container. There are two. One is without container, one is with containers. So the one with containers is the one you use. You understand? So you click select. So to load. So just click on review and launch. So you'll be given one CPU. You can see that is 1 GB memory. It's quite very small memory. So next you click on launch. Next you click on launch. So once you launch, you create a new pay key. Create a new pay key. So I will use Mike. Just put any name. Then I download the key. So this is an RSA key type. Are you seeing it? key pair type is RSA. So now you download the key. You can see the Mike key pair has been downloaded. So once you finish downloading the key, you click on launch. Your instances are now launching. You can see that. The next thing, you scroll down and click on view instance. So you can see it's already running. It's already available right away, instantly. So when you don't copy the information on your notepad, you come and close. Now you have to copy one more information because they gave you a partition. There's a partition for certain installation. So you right click again. Now you have to come down. You have to scroll down, click here, click the side here. So you can easily scroll down. Now you copy this public IPv4 DNS. Very important. Copy. Because if you use your normal IPv4 address, it might not work sometimes. So this is what you have to use. You have to use this partition. So you copy this as well. Go to your notepad and save that address. So this is your public IPv4 DNS. Okay. Control V. Alright, that's it. So now you've done all of this. Time to log in. So to log in, you come to your search here. You search for remote. Just type remote. You see your remote desktop connection come up and you click open. Once you're done clicking open, the first thing you log in here is that IP4 DNS. You just copy it and put it there. So copy, so I'm copying that. And I come here, highlight and Control V, connect. Because I'll put the username and the password. Username is administrator. Control V. And this is the password. Control V. Click remember me and you click OK. So that's encrypted is actually. Click OK. Yes. Perfect. So the VPS is on. We are now connected to the VPS. Alright, so what's the next thing? Next thing now is to install your trading platform before you install the robot. So you have to, if you're using an MT5, install it or MT4. Okay,
So for this, just click no. So you see all the details of the VPS here, and that is total memory. So now is to install either your MT5 or your MT4. Don't forget. Alright, so let me show you how to install. For instance, MT4. Let's install FXTM now, and let's get the robot installed in it. So first of all, I will just minimize the VPS, go to my real desktop and get the MT4 installation file. That's FXTM MT4 installation file. You can as well download it online if you don't have it. So we'll come back to get the FXTM MT4. You simply get the link attached to this video. First link, copy it and paste it here. Press enter to take you straight to the folder where you have FXTM MT4. This is it, so you download this. Right click and download. So you right click, it's preloaded, right click, then you click download. See that download. Scan for virus and download. See it's downloaded. So once it's downloaded, you go to your download folder and get this file. Okay, so this is my download folder. So I'll come here, right click, copy. Copied it. So I will now go back to the VPS and I'll simply Ctrl V on the desktop. Ctrl V. Don't worry, mine is appearing as true because I have multiple FXTM there. So when that is done, you simply double click. So install, you just double click. Once you double click, tap next because it's your first time. See it's done, finish. So once you finish, to open up the MT4. So once it has opened up the MT4, the next thing I'll do, I'll go and copy. I'll log in first, log in my account. Then I'll go and copy the software and come and install it here. Alright, now it's ready to be used. So the next thing is to log in my account. So let me get my login details and log in first. I'll be back. Let me get my login details. Alright guys, so I've got my login details. So let me log in now. So I'm using Forex Time demo. I'm using Forex Time FXTM ECN demo. Forex Time FXTM ECN demo. That's it. For illustration purposes, it's already an existing account, so I'll log in. Okay, I click finish. Okay, so once it's showing you this in kilobytes, it means you're connected. Put your connection status. You're connected. you're not having zero, no connection, you're connected. So yes, the account is connected now. So the next thing is to install the Expert Trader V6. So let's go and get it. In case it was sent to you in your email, let's go and get the Expert Trader V6 and come and install it. So I'll install one of the Expert Trader V6, then I will install the BCS sequential version for MT5, so you can have both of them on this video. So first of all, you have to minimize. Don't forget, anytime you're going back to your own personal desktop, you minimize, don't close, minimize. So once you have downloaded the Expert Trader V6 that was sent to you on your email, it will go into download folder. So you simply copy it, and once you copy it, you go back to your VPS, which is this. You can see it there. When you get to your VPS, you simply go to File, Open Folder, MQ4. It's quite very slow because it's just one. Click Experts, Control V. Okay, done. Then we have to refresh here. Refresh. We hold and draw, then drop here. For ensure your allow live trading is toggled on. Then your lot size depends on your account type. So confirm the lot size per account type before you install. Please, very important. Okay, and I click OK. Alright, so if it was properly installed, you go to your journal. Okay, that is 4 hours, should be on 15 minutes, please. Okay, so it should change. It's on 4 hours, and you come here on your expert to see on 15 minutes initiated. So it's there, it's just to put it on. So once you toggle it on, automated trading enabled. So now it can start trading automatically. You can see you're now using your free VPS to trade. So basically, this is the first time of me using this system actually. I might need to monitor it next week to be sure that it's not experiencing any lag or delay in its interaction between my MT4 server here and the broker server. So I'll monitor it next week. But for those who don't have a VPS, you can begin to use it for now until I confirm that this is actually good enough. But don't forget, it might not take more than 1 or 2 or 3 accounts. You can take it, but I'm sure it might begin to affect the frequency performance of the robot, possibly. So I'll confirm all of that details later. Alright, so let me now install MT5 for you. So also, there's a link attached to this video. The second link is now MT5 installation folder. So first of all, you minimize. Don't forget to always minimize, don't close, minimize. And once this is on, toggled on, only minimize, don't close it, minimize. You understand? So after you minimize your MT4, you now minimize your VPS. So we have to go. So alright guys, after you copy the link, the second link, which is the MT5, you simply Ctrl V, paste it here. So you paste and enter, it take you to the MT5 as MT5 setup. So once it's fully loaded, you can now download it. See that download. So you can see it's downloaded. So you go straight to your download folder. That's it. So you copy. Copy it. Now you go to your VPS again and Control V. Just Control V on the desktop. When you right click and paste, if it's not working, right click and paste. So once that is done, you double click it. Okay. So for those of you using the PC version, the PC extinguisher for boom and crash, you need the MetaTrader 5. For those using Expert Trader V6, you need the MT4 MetaTrader 4, or there's actually a PC version of the MT4 as well. So if you're using the PC version, PC extinguisher version for the MetaTrader 5, it means you have to get the MetaTrader installed, which is what I'm doing right away now. So you simply don't need all of this, actually log in. So once you are in, the next thing is to log in your deriv account, either demo or real. So you click log into trade account. I just opened one now. First of all, you get the broker. Broker is deriv minus demo. Okay, so there's a previous video I created on how to create a demo account that will help you as well. So let's get connected. Okay, I'm going to try again. Okay, it's connected. Once the trade shows, it means it's connected. Trade means it's connected. So this is the deriv account. So those are using PC extinguisher for the MT5 version. You now go and search for crash. So either crash 500 or 1000, depends. Enter, then draw and drop. So you can see that. Don't forget to work with right click, go to time frame 5 minutes. Work with 5 minutes. So the next thing I'll do now is to get the PC extinguisher in here and install it. That is the MT5 version. There is an MT4 version. If you're using the MT4 version, you do the same as what I did to the Expert Trader on the MT4. Alright, so first of all, like I said, just minimize your VPS. Let's go and get the folder. So this is the folder. This is the software, the robot itself. So I'll copy. I'll go to my VPS. That's my VPS. Click File. Open Data folder. File Experts. Open Advisors. Then Control V. Okay, so now it's in here. Then the next thing I will do is to come here, right click on Expert, then you refresh. So once you click on this plus sign and click on the advisors, you can see it has appeared Just drag and drop. Allow. On the inputs, this is $3,000. So you have to contact me to get the right lot size. $3,000 is a lot, so let's use 4, 5. Alright, okay. Okay, so I've done that. You can see, just deploy it. To confirm, let's go to Jonah. Terminal synchronize, yes, okay. You can see the expert on crash 500 loaded successful. That's it there. Now it's showing the account number. To show you the account 415528. Okay, 41852128. Is that this account? Yeah, that is the account. Yes. EA is not allowed to run on this account. So I did this specifically because a lot of you will go and get a robot from me. I will tie it to the account ID. Once you install it on a different account, this was to show you on the expert. So it's showing that the name of the broker is there. Yes, he said this improved security BCEA is valid. Okay, that is a valid period. But now it's telling that the EA is not allowed to run on this account. So it's not actually trade, even if I toggle on. Actually toggled on. To say that, let's see what it says. Automated trading is enabled, but it will not trade as long as I said EA is not allowed to run on this account. So I'll actually get a version that is compatible with this account and install it again. I did this intentionally to tell you that if you go and install any EA I give you on a different account, it will not work. It will never pick one trade. So let me minimize and go and get the one compatible with this account. Once you download the right version, this is what you go and copy it again. So right click, copy, repeat the process. Control V. Okay, it's done. Refresh. All you need is just to refresh. Once you refresh, you check your journal. Come back here again. So now we are done. So this is how to install and set. So this is the same method you should apply to deploy the Red Dragon robot that trades on volatility. You simply look for the volatility 10. Volatility 10, that's it there. Enter. Then you simply, if that's what you need, you just right click and open the chat window. So if you have the robot here already where I did it, you just simply drag and drop. See that? Drag and drop. Ensure you always have toggle on your allow algorithm trading. Then you choose your input parameter and press enter. But for that robot, you need to choose anything. Just put your input and get going. If you need the perfect setting for your volatility robot, contact me. I'll give you the best settings to always make good money with no challenges at all. Alright, so thank you very much. Now click OK. So thank you very much and have a nice day. So once you are done installing your robot every time, please just only minimize. The only thing you can now close is your VPS. If you close your VPS, you can go and once you log in back again, you see that all of them are open and look at it, it's running and is running. So even if provided I don't close them, I only minimize and I close my VPS, I have nothing to worry about. It's running 24/7. This is the major reason you need a VPS. Bye. So now you can just close. So next time, yes, disconnect. Next time, if you want to connect, you simply just go to your search, enter remote. Because you're connected before, you might not need to put in all your details as usual. Open. So you can see it's the first thing that pops up. You just put connect. So once you open and connect, you realize that everything is still open. Your MT4 is open, your MT5 is open, and is running 247. So you can see I can shut down my laptop and travel, and everything is running in my absence. This is how I make my money. I make my money even if I'm sleeping. You can see, come and see, showing green, playing, it's trading. It's on. It's on. It's enabled. MT5 is enabled. You see it's enabled. Look at it, green. It's playing, it's running. Are you seeing it? So minimize, especially make sure you don't close, minimize, then it's only the VPS you can actually close since you are done. So for 24 hours, this thing will be running. Once this robot discovers that your trading conditions have been met to take a trade, even if you are sleeping or you are traveling or you are busy, this is a good thing about using a VPS. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and be part and enjoy more of our very good wealth creation videos. Thank you very much. Bye. So now you can close. So even if you shut down your laptop, you're good to go, guys. Nothing to worry about. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.